Last time we made loads of progress, swapping over the whole of the rear section. Although it was in much better condition than Egbert's original back end, it was still a 50-year-old car and needed a bit of tidying up before we could continue. We then needed to weld the rear section to the cross members and heater channels to make it one car again. With the main repairs carried out, it was time to think about the roof chop. There are lots of different ways of roof chopping a Beetle, and whilst we were trawling the internet for ideas, it became clear that nobody does it the same and there's no right or wrong way of doing it. We dug out an old copy of Volksrod and really liked the look of the roof chop carried out by Keith Seume and Terry's Beetle services on what became the Flashback race car. The how-to article was also really clear and seemed within our capabilities. We decided we wanted a 4-inch roof chop and then spent a long time measuring, taping, measuring, taping, measuring again, taping again, measuring, taping, measuring. Once we were happy with our measurements, it was time to do the roof chop, so we invited our friend Sam Singer over to capture the moment. So how did we do it? We started off by cutting the roof across the middle, making a front and rear section. First we removed the front and then the rear, using the top measurement first, then making the bottom cut once the roof was off. We then moved on to the roof, using Eggbert's original roof as it was in good condition. We again chopped the roof in half, but as the roof chop moves the rear section back, we needed to make sure the front section is longer than the section we cut out to make up for this. We then reinforced the A-posts with some steel rods, then joggled the rear section ready to weld the two sections together. We couldn't get the two sections to line up perfectly, so I ended up making a relief cut down the middle of the front section, and after that everything fit together really well. We also needed to make some cuts in the corners of the windscreen apertures to bend the A-posts into line. The B-posts then required some attention since the rear section had moved back. Again, we reused Egbert's original B-posts to realign them.